In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide errors in Google Sheets. If you've ever built a report in Google Sheets and watched it fill up with div0 or #NA, you know how quickly a polished spreadsheet can start to look broken. These errors aren't there to annoy you. They show up when a formula can't calculate, like dividing by 0 or when a lookup can't find a match. Still, they're distracting, and they can make teammates think something's wrong with your work when everything else is perfectly fine. Here's the simple fix. Wrap your formula with iferror. Think of iferror as a safety net for any calculation. You type equals, ferror, open parenthesis, then drop in your existing formula exactly as it is. After that, add a comma, 2 quotation marks, and close the parenthesis. It looks like this. iferror, your formula. 8. Those empty quotes tell Google Sheets, if this calculation fails, don't show an error. Just show an empty cell. Instantly, the messy red flags disappear, and your sheet looks clean and professional. Sometimes, though, a blank cell can be confusing. That's where a custom message helps. Instead of empty quotes, type a short, helpful note in quotes, something like waiting for data or no match yet. Now, if the formula errors, your audience sees a friendly status update instead of a scary code. For example, equals iferror, your formula, waiting for data, is a great way to signal that a value is coming, just not available yet. This approach works across the board. Divisions, averages, lookups, even more complex calculations. You don't have to rebuild anything. You're simply adding a wrapper that controls what shows up when the math doesn't work. And because you're choosing what to display, you can keep dashboards tidy, prevent false alarms in meetings, and help collaborators understand what's actually happening behind the scenes. One quick tip: use messages that are short and clear so they don't clutter the layout. And remember, iferror only changes what appears in the cell when something goes wrong. It doesn't change how your formulas work when everything is fine. Your calculations will still run normally and display real numbers as soon as the inputs are valid. So to recap, when a formula can't calculate, Google Sheets throws an error. To hide it, wrap the formula in iferror and choose either empty quotes for a clean blank or a custom message for a helpful status. Keep your sheets clean, your reports professional, and your team focused on the insights that matter. Follow for more Google Sheets hacks.